So I'm in Leighton Buzzard on a driving lesson, and if the area of Leighton Buzzard, if you're not used to it, there's loads of pedestrian crossings, zebra crossings, to help the pedestrians, because there's loads of pedestrians around that are quite close to the road. And as I go around this corner here, there's a great example. We've got a mini roundabout, and just before the mini roundabout there is a zebra crossing with enough space between the zebra crossing and the mini roundabout for one car. And you can see there's two cars there. So the first car is waiting to get onto the mini roundabout, and the second car's blocking the crossing. And you can see on the right in a few seconds there's going to be three young girls approaching the crossing. And you see it's quite a lot around Leighton Buzzard, and I'm sure you probably see it in the areas that you live. So don't be blocking zebra crossings, because it's not good for pedestrians. They've got to go around you. And if you're on your driving test, you'd fail your driving test for it. And the blue car behind me who's following me. Now, as I pull forward for the roundabout, I'm going to be slowing down, giving way to traffic on my right who's coming through. And the blue car behind me follows me and ends up blocking half of the crossing. So it's just sloppy driving. So after you pass your driving test, keep that standard up where you don't block crossings, and you won't inconvenience pedestrians where they're going to get frustrated at you at the same time. Safe driving. Take care.